In this video, we're going to discuss the proper way to clean a smoke detector. Before doing any work on your alarm system, call Safeguard's Secure Operations Center at 480-609-6200. Also, you will probably need to use a ladder to access a smoke detector. You can view Safeguard's video on ladder safety also. The importance of cleaning a smoke detector: two reasons. One is it extends the life of the detector. Secondly, it can reduce the false alarms out of it. Two common methods of cleaning include canned air. Blow into the chambers. The other method, take your home vacuum, put it up here to these chamber openings, suck out the air. There are other recommended ways of cleaning the detectors. These are the two most common.